All right, what's that? Oh, the blades.
Yes, sir.
This was what you saw when we went to go get last time.
We got the... Okay, so how long has it been? Still, look, we still haven't gotten a tire.
Here's a tire.
I know, I still gotta put it in. What the fuck is the saw blade? I have the saws on. Mira. So, I actually left it out when it was raining. So,
Really?
yeah.
So it's just, it might be like the welder.
Useless.
Fried.
Oh.
When are we gonna get emissions done for this thing?
As soon as it's
Drivable?
yeah.
So, never.
We're gonna cover that up. Cover this one. It's just like 6-inch. And then over here, this is the one I'm gonna cut off here. And then put plate right there too.
Gotcha.
All this is gonna be plated in a way. Check that out. We're gonna weld this and that, all this.
What's not welded?
Ain't that bad, huh?
No, sir.
As the white folks would say, not too shabby, if I say so myself. It's a low tack. Well, I guess I could not. Oh, it's because this one was... Ew, I see what you mean.
It's like that. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah?
Dude, we're about to have it the wrong way.
So, here's the deal. This is the deal.
You're just gonna attack it, right?
Yeah, we're This is just a little test. What you think, Doc? There's no way I can drive like that, dude.
Why not?
I crashed.
Lose weight, boy.
My nuts. I can't move my nuts.
Get my nuts.
Fuck you.
Mom, get my nuts! Get my nuts!
Yeah, it adjusts this, but it adjusts this down.
Down, so we'll just have to weld it this up, no?
Simone.
Hey, okay, dude.
So there we go. What do you think right there?
That's perfect.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, that's probably how it was.
Okay. Yeah. Here. What do you think about that?
I knew that was...
Fuck no, dude.
Shut up! There we go. Right, it's touching right here.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, that's right.
This part is rubbing up against this one right here. So, there it is.
I lost that.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
This is like perfect ride height too.
This is beautiful.
This is very nice.
This is very nice. Nice.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. Not for you, short people. When you feeling a little cholo? When you feeling a little fucking...
Dude, that's like perfect. We don't need to move anything.
4, 5.
Reverse.
We might need a new engine by the time we're done. Okay, so that one's there.
Dude,
Do you remember all this one?
it's just a mess.
1, 2. Okay, guys, you guys gotta remember, this is seriously just a big ass puzzle.
You'll get it to start.
No, I know I'll get it started. We're not leaving till it starts.
I just don't know if that battery has juice though.
We got a power unit over there.
Yeah, by any means necessary.
There's 2 greens right here. There's another green over on this side. This green. So this green is not gonna, I gotta pull it. But this other green, it comes out right there. So it's kind of like I was telling Junior, it's a puzzle. So this whole thing, I want to get a harness or something, or even tape and like. Oh yeah, we're kind of screwed.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, look at this man's invention.
Oh yeah, dude. Can't work with that music. Bill Gates walking in. What's up, dog?
I can't hear you with all the music.
Dude, did my things just fall apart? So you know, watch.
Alright guys, so we're back for day 3. We have the self-tapping screws. So these are the self-tapping screws.
These are 2. We overdid it, but yeah.
Just like this whole car.
We're overdoing everything.
Alright guys, so we actually took the whole wiring harness apart. And we're going to do it one by one because we connected the grounds and the car is still not working, so.
What?
We should have taken a picture of all this.
I know, guys. Now there's a reason I cut it off. I don't know what the reason.
So what's the reason for this?
See, this is what I love. This is what I love. You're having fun, right?
See if it starts. Nope. Ready? Listen to the song because this is all we got. All we got is problems. Alright guys, well sometimes you just gotta know when to walk away.
You know what, guys?
Before we destroy the car.
Let me just take a breather and we're gonna probably walk away for now because I'm just getting stressed and I can't really see because it's dark. And I think we're gonna do this on Saturday when I have my thing and I get off early because it ain't it, boy. It ain't it. It's me.
So the death cart today won us.
I know, dude.
0.
And you know me. I never.
Yeah,
say.
we got frustrated because we want to get this thing started.
I want to get it started. I mean, I know either way, even if we don't get it started on Saturday, we'll finish.
Yeah. On the bright side of things, this video will come out sooner than later. We weren't supposed to upload anything until we got like at least half of it done, or the front part of it, so you guys are seeing this earlier than you should, but yeah. That's it for today, so anything you want to say?
Dude, don't give up, guys. Don't give up. We're not giving up.
We're staying the break.
Oh, dude, I'm just pissed. And I can't see. Yeah.
But once we get this figured out, I don't want to say the rest is a cakewalk, but it'll be easier, so.
I think it should be a lot easier once this is done.
Yeah.
Once it starts again.
We just knew that the wiring stuff.
I
And
got
we
this
really.
with the wire, and then we still gotta cover this, which I did get some shit for it, but.
Slowly but surely it's coming. Very slow, but it's coming, guys. I said July 4th, it's still up. It's still there.
Yeah, we're still.
It'll be done by then, so. Yeah. Until then.
I'll still wear the same clothes. I'm not gonna change clothes till it starts. I'm not even gonna wash these clothes till it starts.
Alright guys, that's it for today. Until next time.
Shit pissed me off.